When making your Google site, you want to make sure you're at the new Google Sites website, sites.google.com/new. The homepage should look like this with these templates at the top. You're going to select blank. If you're more comfortable using a pre-made template, you can look at Google's template gallery. They do have one set for education. However, I like to customize every part of my Google site, so I'm going to start blank without this header even there. I'm going to title your Google site. I'm just going to call this one Sample Site. But you can, of course, put your class name there. And you can play around with the themes. You'll be able to see the text change at the top. Each theme has 3 styles of text. This is why you might want to go back and create all of your images and your text in something like PowerPoint or Keynote so that you have a bit more flexibility with your text options. Each theme also has set colors that you can choose from, or you can customize your own color. I want to start by inserting my header on my home page. So I'm going to go to Images, Upload. Now I've created my header in Keynote, so it's in my Downloads folder on my computer. I'm going to open and it's going to show up right here as an image. I want to pull that across the entire header, and then in order for it to fit appropriately, I'm going to click this Uncrop button, and it's going to automatically resize so that my image is full on the page. Now in order to see your theme colors, you can click this Paint Palette. Regular is going to give you white, Emphasis is a lighter color in your palette, and Emphasis 2 down here is the darker color in your palette. You can play around with the themes on Emphasis 2 and be able to see what those are going to look like. Now, one of my favorite websites is HTML Color Codes Info. This is where you can upload an image that you're using and pick any color from that so that you can create a cohesive look to your website. So I'm going to put my header in here. I'm going to find a color within my header that I like, that I want to use as my background. When I find the color I like, copy the color code, go back into your themes, and paste the code down here at the bottom. It will automatically update. Now I need to create my 2 portals for my student side and my parent side, so I'm going to click the double image layout option and just drag and drop. Again, you can play with the paint palette and create that cohesive color background. In order to link the images, you need to have the pages preset. So I note that I need 2 landing pages for my images. So I'm going to start by setting up my student portal, and then click that plus button again and my parent portal. They're automatically going to show up in your navigation bar. I don't want them up there because I just want them accessible from the links, so I'm going to hide those from the navigation bar. Now once I go home, I can click the plus button and upload my image that I've already created as a PNG file. I'll find that in my downloads. And again, click my handy uncrop button and it will automatically resize. I'm going to do the same thing for my parent portal, upload the PNG image that I've already created, uncrop, and now I have my 2 images. Now these templates have certain text boxes. If you don't want them, you can just click delete. And then if you looked at my webpage, you'll see here that under this subheader, I tend to put the pages that the user is going to find within those portals. So once they hit that landing page, what's going to be inside. I'm just going to type this as sort of a placeholder until I make those pages. Now I want to be able to link my image, so I'm going to click on that image, and if you get this, just click the checkbox. Select Insert Link, and because we've created our landing pages already, they should be here. I'm going to do Student Portal, click Apply, and you'll see it confirms it down there. Again, select the link, Parent Portal, Apply, and now they should be linked to their landing page. In order to check, you're going to want to start publishing. You can create your own ending to the domain so that it's a customized domain. I'm going to call this SAG Sample Website. And I don't want anybody to be able to search and see this because it's just in a draft. So I'm going to click change under my links, and I'm going to select everything to restricted. Now once I click publish, my changes will be published to the web. Again, private, select the caret and click view published site. Now this is what the website will look like. I have my header here with my background color, and I'm going to test out my links. My student page, and you can see the landing page is blank. We haven't done anything there yet. And my parent page, again, a blank page, and we'll work on creating those pages next.